What is information technology? Information technology, IT, refers to the use of computers, networks, and other electronic devices to store, retrieve, transmit, and manage data. It involves various activities like creating software, managing databases, ensuring cybersecurity, and maintaining communication networks. IT is all about using technology to handle information and solve problems. For example, when you send an email, use a mobile app, or store files in the cloud, you're using IT. It's essential for businesses, schools, and even for personal use, helping us to stay connected, work efficiently, and access information easily. Components of information technology: hardware, computers and servers, physical devices that process and store data, network devices, routers, switches, and modems that connect computers and other devices to each other and the internet. Peripherals, printers, scanners, and other devices that can be connected to computers. Software, operating systems, the main software that runs on computers like Windows, macOS, and Linux. Applications, programs that perform specific tasks like Microsoft Word for documents or web browsers for accessing the internet. Databases, systems that store and organize data, making it easy to retrieve and manage information. Networks, local area networks, LANs, connect computers within a small area like an office or home. Wide area networks, WANs, connect computers over larger distances like between cities or countries. The Internet is the largest WAN. Internet, websites and web services, platforms like Google, Facebook, and Amazon that provide information and services online. Email and messaging, systems that allow people to communicate electronically. Everyday examples of IT: email, sending and receiving messages electronically; cloud storage, saving files online so you can access them from any device; online shopping, buying products through websites and mobile apps; social media, connecting with friends and sharing information through platforms like Facebook and Instagram; mobile apps, using applications on your smartphone for tasks like banking, navigation, and entertainment.